Every HeyStori journey starts at your bookshelf. If you're new, it'll be empty like this. But if this isn't your first time, it's where you'll find every story you've created so far. Either way, just click the blue button and you're on your way. If you have multiple children in your family or school group, this is where you pick whose story this will be. This family has 2 children, but they've also created a family profile for stories they'll create together. This can work for classes or friendship groups as well, and means you can co-author your stories. Next, you choose the art style and a story type. The art style determines the type of illustrations you want. Do you want 3D, comic book, pencil sketch? You decide. Then you pick the story type. The adventure story begins with creating your character and their world, and then asks what problem they encounter and how are you going to solve it, and what happens in the end. This story arc allows children to create amazing worlds and characters straight from their imagination. But HeyStori also allows you to create other kinds of stories. Maybe one about the first time you went on an aeroplane. Maybe it's a story about something you're learning about or an experience you've had. We call the different types of stories story arcs. They determine the questions the child is asked as they're guided through creating their story. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to start creating your story.